In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money in Coinbase using wire transfer. Now, you first need to open up your browser and visit the official Coinbase website. Please, this is the exact URL. Come here and click on login. Now here, just enter your credentials, and then I want you to go ahead and click on sign in. And once you've signed in, guys, you'll be in this page. What you want to do is come here at the bottom left. Okay, I want you to go ahead and click on a trade to navigate to the trading section of your account. Now here, I want you to go ahead and click on a deposit under your wallet balance. So click on this right here. And now you need to choose your asset. Okay, whatever asset you want to deposit for, whatever currency type. So we'll just go ahead and choose USDC right here, and then go ahead and click on wire transfer. You'll then be provided with a unique reference code or a personal account number to help you initiate the transfer. Just go ahead and proceed with the on-screen instructions to complete the process. And once you've initiated it, guys, the money's actually credited to your Coinbase account within 24 hours. Okay, so if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.